Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I'm going to explain what is Winget and how to use it. So let's start. So Winget is a Windows package manager. It is a command line tool that helps you discover, install, update, and manage software packages on Windows. So it is similar to package managers like apt for Linux and brew for macOS. So let's see how to use it. So first of all, if you want to check whether the Winget is installed or not, most of the modern Windows 10 and Windows 11 versions come up with the Winget pre-installed. Let's see how to check it. So first of all, search for command prompt and run it as an administrator. Then type a command Winget and press enter. And here you can see the Winget is installed on your computer. To check the version of the Winget, type a command winget -- version and press enter. And here you can see, so this is the version of the Winget installed on my PC. To check all the software packages installed on your system, you can type a command winget space list and press enter. And here you can see all the software packages which are installed on your system. Here you can see the name of the package, the ID of the package, and its current version. So first of all, to uninstall a package using Winget, you can type a command winget uninstall and the ID of the package. So in my case, I am typing Mozilla Firefox, then press enter. And over here you can see it has successfully uninstalled Mozilla Firefox from my system. Now you have to click on uninstall and click on finish. Over here you can see I have successfully uninstalled a Mozilla Firefox from my system. If you want to install any package using Winget, then you can type a command winget install and the name of the package or ID of the package, then press enter. Over here you can see it is downloading that software package. And it has also started installing that package. And over here you can see we got a message successfully installed. So in this way, we have successfully installed Mozilla Firefox on our system using Winget. So if you want to upgrade a package using Winget, then you can simply type a command winget upgrade and name of the package or ID of the package, then press enter. So it will download any update if available from its official website, and it will automatically install on your system. So in this way, using Winget, you can install, uninstall, and upgrade your software packages on the Windows system. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.